Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Nature of Genius. First 14 to 18 questions are to choose 5 options from the given list which are popular beliefs about genius and giftedness. First answer is option B. The talents of geniuses are soon exhausted. Genius का talent जल्दी ही खत्म हो जाता है. Let's see in the paragraph. That prodigies burn too brightly, too soon and burn out. Next belief is option C. Gifted people should use their gifts. Gifted people को अपना gift मतलब जो geniusness है उसे use करना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph. People with gifts have a responsibility to use them. Next belief is option F. Genius is inherited. Geniusness विरासती होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Genius runs in families. Next belief is option H. People never appreciate true genius. True genius को लोग कभी भी appreciate मतलब value नहीं करते. Let's see in the paragraph. Genius goes unrecognized and unrewarded. And the last belief is option J. Gifted people develop their greatness through difficulties. Gifted people difficulties से ही अपनी greatness को develop करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Adversity makes men wise. Adversity का मतलब problems. Next 19 to 26 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, 19th century studies of the nature of genius failed to take into account the uniqueness of the person's upbringing. 19th century में जो genius के nature को लेकर study हुई थी उसमें upbringing की uniqueness मतलब खासियत को शामिल नहीं किया गया था. Let's see in the paragraph. The difficulty with the evidence produced by these studies, fascinating as they are in collecting together anecdotes and apparent similarities and exceptions, is that they are not what we would today call norm-referenced. In other words, when for instance, information is collated about early illnesses, methods of upbringing, schooling etc. तो इस statement में उस study को जिसके साथ compare किया गया है, उसमें methods of upbringing की बात है. तो इसका answer true होगा. Next question is, 19th century studies of genius lacked both objectivity and a proper scientific approach. 19th century की genius की study में scientific approach and objectivity की कमी थी. Let's see in the paragraph. It was only with the growth of pediatrics and psychology in the 20th century that studies could be carried out on a more objective, if still not always very scientific basis. तो यहाँ क्लियर है कि 19th सेंचुरी में ये चीजें नहीं थी, बल्कि 20th सेंचुरी में आई थी. तो इसका भी आंसर होगा ट्रू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अ ट्रू जीनियस हैज जनरल पावर्स केपेबल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस इन एनी एरिया. ट्रू जीनियस किसी भी एरिया में एक्सीलेंस होने की पावर रखता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. We may disagree with the general, for we doubt if all musicians of genius could have become scientists of genius or vice versa. इस बात को disagree करना मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जो genius musician एक genius scientist बन जाए. तो इस question का answer होगा false. Next question is, the skills of ordinary individuals are in essence the same as the skills of prodigies. Genius की skills ordinary individuals की skills जैसी होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. What we appreciate, enjoy or marvel at in the works of genius or the achievements of prodigies are the manifestations of skills or abilities which are similar to. मतलब skills तो same होती है, पर जो genius होते हैं वो उन्हीं skills को manifest मतलब better कर लेते हैं. So its answer is true. Next question is, the ease with which truly great ideas are accepted and taken for granted fails to lessen their significance. जितनी आसानी से great ideas की accept किया जाता है और इसे आसान समझा जाता है, उतनी आसानी से हम उसकी value को कम नहीं कर सकते. Let's see in the paragraph. This does not minimize the supremacy of their achievements, which outstrip our own as the sub-4-minute milers outstrip our jogging. जैसे एक 4-minute milers हमारी जॉगिंग से आगे निकल सकता है, पर हमारी अचीवमेंट्स की सुप्रीमेसी को कम नहीं कर सकता. So its answer is true. Next question is not given. Next to that is, geniuses often pay a high price to achieve greatness. Genius को greatness के लिए high price चुकाना पड़ता है. It's see in the paragraph. We may envy their achievements and fame. हमें उनकी प्रसिद्धि और achievements से जलन हो सकती है. But we should also recognize the price they may have paid in terms of perseverance, single-mindedness, dedication, restrictions on their personal lives, the demands upon their energies and time, and how often they had to display great courage to preserve their integrity or to make their way to the top. तो ये सारे प्राइस है जो उन्हें चुकाने पड़ते हैं. So its answer is true. Next and last question of this passage is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.